Hey, what's going on, my friend James Bill here. I'm coming to you today from Louisiana. I'm out here on the park by the lake enjoying this beautiful day. It's quite windy today. The March winds are kicking in. Water's kind of choppy. But other than that, it's a beautiful sunshiny day. The weather's great. And thought I'd take some time out to drop some more knowledge on you guys. I want you to remember one thing. You have to do your daily task should be something that you can control. Don't worry about the things that you cannot control. It's like I don't know when somebody's gonna click onto one of my pages and be ready to pull out their credit card. I just can't control that, so I don't worry about that. But the things that I can control and that you can control is to be readily available to them whenever they are ready. And what I mean by this is you need to concentrate on communicating with through email to your list daily, making videos daily, because when they are ready, you're going to be right there in front of them, guys. This is how the top earners become top earners and stay top earners. Just want to drop that little knowledge on you. Continue to move forward in your business. Peace and blessings.